Hello friends, this is Shakeel. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And today I want to discuss what is intelligence. So basically it is a technology that makes computer think, delivers result, gives output as per our input, just like humans do. We can think it is just like a brain that is given to machines so that they work like humans. Suppose we ask Google what is the temperature right now in Delhi. It gives answer that it is 30 degrees temperature. The technology used here is called AI. So it is the technology that makes machines so smart that it is able to solve the query every day that humans use to solve. So it can create lyrics, it can create videos, spreadsheets, anything depending on the prompt. The concept came into the concept of artificial intelligence came into existence in 1956 when there was a conference of scientists who discussed that can machines work like humans. That time this was a dream. Today this dream has come true, and reality is that AI is involved in our daily life, from our smartphone to our car, from smartwatch to our homes. It is everywhere. So how it works, how artificial intelligence works. AI needs three things. That is, first it is data, second it is algorithm, third is the computing power. So data is the information given to machine to learn. Algorithm, it is the rules and set of formulas that is used to process data. Third is the computing power. It is the hardware that is doing all these processing. AI is divided into different branches, and every branch has its own job. For example, first it is the machine learning. Here the machines are taught by giving data without any programming and can take decisions. For example, we are searching any cooking related video on YouTube. As a result, YouTube suggests us many videos related to our topic. This is the work of machine learning that understands our need and displays content as per our requirement. Second is the deep learning, which is basically the advanced level of machine learning. Here the machines work like human brain. It understands, thinks and answer like humans do. Example is self-driven cars. They understand roads and take right decisions at right time. So NLP, it is called natural language processing. This technology understands human language and answer. For example, we ask Google anything using our voice. It understands and reply to our query. Also, chat window is the same technology. Whatever we require, it replies as per our query. Mostly used in it is mostly used in customer service. So after that, last one is the computer vision. It means that we give power to machines so that they can see. If machines see videos, it understands the content in the video. Example is the CCTV, understands human activity. Also, self-driven cars understands routes. They all work due to computer vision. So I hope you like the information, and I will also discuss about some benefits of the artificial intelligence. Here, first of all, let me discuss about healthcare. Here, the machines can detect the health related issues like cancer, diabetics, or heart related issues. Uh, for Before, it too much time was wasted to find these issues, but now with the help of AI, it is done in minutes. Now AI can analyze the history of patients, can also predict the future health condition of the patient. It also gives medical suggestions to the patient so that he can be safe in future. After that, education. Here also AI is a game changer. There are a number of online learning platforms like e-learning courses, e-books, which are helping students. AI helps students in all subjects like English, teaching, mathematics, science, computer science, etc. If students have any question, they ask AI and get answer in seconds. After that, finance. In this sector, AI plays a big role. For example, in bank fraud cases, AI is used to detect fraud cases. Also, it is used in stock market trading. Here, machines on the basis of data can predict which share will up and which will down. After that, let me discuss about agriculture. Today, drones and sensors are monitoring crops and suggest farmers that when they should give water and fertilizers to their crops. It also gives them weather information. After that, space science and defense. It is also it also analyzes satellite data and is also used in research. In defense, AI controls robots and drones which can perform without humans. It is used in national security. It saves our time. First, suppose we need any information, we used to search books, but now we can ask AI and get answer in seconds. In future, AI will become the need of every human, and as it will work as our assistant. So I hope you like the information. So don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.